It's early morning on the island and the water is so calm this morning. And you know what that means? We have to find jobs to keep us busy until the wind comes up, because the neighbors don't really want their beautiful, calm, blue morning to be interrupted by the sound of saws. So right now we're putting up the flagpole. The water is so high that the flag is now in the water. Fiona, are you still in your pajamas? Wow, this is a gorgeous day.
It was cold the first couple seconds and now it's beautiful.
I've never seen the water like this. It's crazy.
First flag raising of 2019.
I'm Sarah, and every day my life revolves around design. This is my journal of what's happening right now in my world as a creator, an entrepreneur, a partner, and a mom. And I'm sharing it with you. So let's go. Today is another chapter in my design life.
So it is a beautiful day, and we have 3 people working on the porch, and the painter is out here on the lawn. So I'm just going to check in with our painter and see what kind of progress is being made. What we're doing is we are pre-painting all the Versatex siding that is going around all of the windows in the porch, and this makes it a lot easier once it goes up. So I'm going to just check in with our painter.
Yeah, well, we have a real pro here. She's fast and she's very conscientious, and she's also really cute.
Okay, so what are you doing here? You're just kind of stuck in those boards. How are you going to get out of there?
I'm waiting until you move this big board.
Ah. All right, so I better finish my board. Don't put your ponytail in the paint. Painted ponies.
Right.
No, we're not shooting the guinea pigs anymore. What is with you and
Get
the
to
guinea
work! I tell ya.
Fiona, did you ever think your dad would talk to guinea pigs so much? No, I didn't think so either. I've always said that every day in my design life is different. Lately, it seems that every day is less designer glamour and more DIY, sweat equity, and manual labor. Mostly this is what I do these days. Trying to get this project finished. Today I've been a mover. What do we think here? I'm gonna catch it. Well, so far this boat has held a 500-pound fireplace. And now, what is this, a 300-pound table? And now, a painter. Oh! And for about an hour I was also an entrepreneur and an author.
Well, what's going on over here?
Oh, a little showroom design for the furniture collection, paying bills, book review. I was in the midst of, I was gonna take sheets out to the cabin for my housekeeping duties, and I don't know why, but there's binoculars right here, just in case something's happening on the horizon. Just another day at the island.
Let's get it up to the house. Do you have 3 people load this in?
This does not bode well for going up the stairs. Oh, nice.
You're a beer holder.
What? That is not a beer holder, Chris. That is a jewelry holder.
Oh, yeah. We have our dresser, which is very exciting, but it's also very heavy. But that's what we've got, Chris. We call them muscles or the powerhouse. Either one works.
Yeah, maybe you have to go straight up more.
Okay, hold on.
How do we like this dresser now, guys?
Oh, we
We love it. It's the best dresser ever. If you could have brought the heavy model, we would have appreciated it.
Yeah,
This one's just too light and easy.
need a morning workout.
All right, do you want to put the legs on it while we have it up?
Or we can lay it on its back.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
you want to just keep holding it.
No, it's cool.
The good news is on the inside, things are pretty much there, other than accessories and finishing details. But the problem is when everything outside is still a complete work zone, it's tricky. Anyway, that's a lot of hammering. Alex is working away on the siding. And what is happening here? Renovating can be tough on a marriage. What is happening here? But Alex and I make it work. It's all about communicating. We almost there? What's happening here?
Very close.
So, we've got that little corner to finish. Oh, you're not even listening to me?
I'm listening to something else. Which is always fun.
Siding install. How close are we getting here?
Well, on this wall we're pretty darn close, I would say. Which is great.
I think this is looking really sharp. What's going on? No, what was that about? Your glass?
Glasses were falling down.
What'd you find?
Raspberries.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to stay focused when there's fresh berries around.
Just touching up the nails.
Oh,
They disappear.
did you know you've had a bug on your shoulder all day?
No, just having a nice ride with me.
Oh, it's a leaf. How are you feeling about the progress?
Well, we're doing well. It'd be nice if the roofer showed up, but other than that, it's good.
What of those roofers?
I think we should bet. Will they come tomorrow? We'll start up a roofer pool.
Are you betting for or against?
I don't think they'll be here tomorrow. Friday.
Sarah, question.
Yeah.
Do you want the siding to go up and over, the windows trimmed, or do you want a center something under that beam? And then like the boards butt up to it like inside?
I think we should do whatever the simplest, easiest thing to do is, because no one is ever going to see this end. That's my progress update. We're all doing our best. And the reality of this is that I've been thinking about it, and I don't actually think it's even been 2 full months. Not 2 full months since the day that Alex and Chris discovered that the roof was rotten.
I think we better call Sarah because we have a little problem here. We're up here on the flat roof and it's rotting the whole way around.
And so in less than 2 months, this is what the team has done. Did that, built that, got all the windows in, and then we finished the interior and we painted the interior and we installed the electrical and we installed the cabinetry and we installed the fireplace, and now they're on to the finishing details. So I gotta say, in the grand scheme of everything, if you think about how long it takes to do a renovation in the city, hey people, we are here on this teeny tiny remote little island. Everything has to come by boat and everything is a challenge, and I just feel so lucky that we have the hardest working team in the business, which is these 3 amazing people. That's my husband and Chris and Charlotte. And usually Chris's daughter Emily is also here helping us, but she went to a concert this week, so we gave her a little time off because she's young and needs to actually have some summer fun. So hopefully we're all going to be having some summer fun soon.
Remember those duck eggs that were under the propane shed that we rebuilt and we were very careful not to disturb them? Well, look over there. all happy.
Isn't this how every roof gets delivered? Oh my gosh. Look at it hanging over. Good morning, team.
How are we doing this morning?
Great, how are you?
Oh, living the dream.
Look, is it everybody's favorite way to spend a summer Friday?
It sure is. It's only 4 million degrees out here.
Hottest day of the summer so far? A great day to be on a roof.
Yeah, this is much better than a patio with a beer and some tunes.
Who wants that?
Who wants that?
So as you can see, the roof looks amazing. It's doing very, very well, which is fantastic. And it suits the cottage brilliantly. One thing is we're out on an island and the guys want to make sure they get it just right with the panels. We're one panel shy. Normally they would bring a machine which would make it on site, so it's not a big deal. That machine is actually 2 hours away. So it's just arrived at the marina and they're going to make us a new panel, and then in half an hour we'll have the last panel on. And this beauty will be complete.
So we've got two kinds of roof. How come?
We got two kinds of roof. We have the original cedar roof because we wanted cedar when we originally did this. But then we realized that a metal roof lasts much longer. It's also great because up here you get pine needles and all kinds of stuff that get stuck in it. And spiders, which Sarah doesn't like very much. And so the metal roof gets rid of all of that. Cedar looks nice, but it doesn't last long. The cedar isn't as durable as the old roofs were. They'll last about 20 years, this will last about 50. So this is the last roof we'll put on this one, and in a few years we'll switch this roof to metal from cedar. And then we'll get rid of the bugs, we'll get rid of all the moss and stuff that's growing in it, and all the pine needles that get stuck. And the cottage will look amazing.
Is there anything else you're getting rid of soon?
Oh, yeah. What do you think? I'm thinking I should keep this and just grow it out. What do you think? Go like all David Letterman.
No thank you.
Okay, I gotta go. Final panel left, go on.
Yeah, with a bonus boat trip. Just what you wanted. All right. And with that, one panel left.